In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a border to a promotional pop-up inside Squarespace. What you're going to want to do is navigate to Design and then scroll down to Custom CSS. This is where we're adding the code. Now, you're not going to be able to see your promotional pop-up while you're typing in code, but here's what it looks like. I'm going to add the code that says sqs-slide-layer-content border 5px solid red. Now, if I want to make that border thicker, I can change it to 15px if I want to. Instead of solid, I can have a dotted border or a dashed border. And instead of red, I can make that any color I want it to be, like orange or green, whatever you want to do for your site style. The main selector you're going to want to use is sqs-slide-layer-content, and after that, add your border code. This code is in the description below, and after you've added it to your custom CSS panel, select Save. Now, how do we get there? From our main menu, I want you to navigate to Design and then select Custom CSS. This is where you're going to paste that code. I have a few other design tutorials for your promotional pop-up linked beneath this video, but if this is your very first time using this feature in Squarespace, I want you to check out my overview video coming up next.